So here we are sitting in front of Abracadabar. This is in the former Seashore Suites. Oh my gosh, why do they do this to me? This is in the former Seashore Suites location, and it promises cocktails and magic. It's more of an old-time magic hangout inside, but the theme is understated and classic.
Abracadabar is on the Boardwalk, which is in the Epcot Resort area of Walt Disney World. It's situated between Flying Fish and Trattoria El Forno, which I have a breakfast review for that I'll link below. So what's the story behind this bar? As Disney legend goes, this lounge welcomed the most famous magicians and illusionists, where they would stay up all night trying to out-trick each other. Looking around, you can find lots of mention of magic and magicians and what happened to them, but regardless of your curiosity level, it's an enjoyable bar to explore. Magical memorabilia is present everywhere, from the show posters to the playing cards. The menu is centered around handcrafted cocktails, but also includes sparkling and white wines, as well as beer. Abracadabar is open daily from 4 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit TouringPlans.com for more information, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!